Welcome to another Caravan, and this is a 2014 Lunar Lexon 540. This caravan belongs to Chris and Rita. You saw their Abbey Impressions 520L. We've traded it in for this lovely Lunar. So it's time to take you on a bit of a tour. Just go inside the awning. And go inside, and here's Chris. Just showing the viewers around your lovely Lunar. And then just shut the door. And this has the bin, little rubbish bin. We start off with the front lounge, which is absolutely beautiful, typical mid 2010s Caravan. You got blinds and fly screens all round on all three windows at the front, and this chest, you can pull it out for a bit of table space. That gives you a nice little bit of table space, or there's a separate table you can add if you want a full length table, which is in here. There's your table. If you want to have a table, just make sure that's secured properly. There's a little thing you swivel down, and the strap with the press stud. And we'll come back to the kitchen unit. So plenty of under-seat storage, and that's the alarm system. And there's a locker which can be accessed from outside, and that's when your sensors for the alarm got. Let's look. Yeah, that's for the drawer. That top one's your tabletop. There's a couple of drawers there, another storage locker inside, and there's your circuit breaker and fuse board, and the water heaters there beneath. So plenty of storage up front, and lighting. All these downlights are LED. Yep, it says 12 volt LED on there, and you got light in there as well. But if you switch these on, let's see if you can see it, but mood lighting, a little mood lighting there at the front, and on your lights, and a nice big skylight. You push that down and turn that. Same this side. And see, how do you open this? It should just swing up. Yeah, that's how it swings up. It just swings open, and just from the rear. Gives you plenty of light. It's on gas struts as well. It's nice. You don't have to have this held up like that. You can just. So that's a nice little feature to have, your gas struts. I just better close this. Swing it. I don't know if all the skylights are like that. And you've got your fly screen. I don't know if there's a blind with this one. I don't think this has the blind. Oh, I could be wrong. I'm not from the Lunars of this era. There's the fly screen. So we're moving on. And something I forgot about the door, split door, wind with the blind, and your electric controls there. Shows you charge your leisure battery. You can turn on your awning, your master, your water pump, and with the light on when the taps are opened, and your lights. And this is your Aldi central heating system. It's all with a touch screen, so you can turn that on or off, and you can change all these settings here. Temperature adjust, press menu to go back to there, and even just for your shower. So we'll just leave that. We'll go to the kitchen. Now I quickly showed you this, a storage space for the tail. Got a little drawer there to put your knives and forks in or whatever. Plenty of storage underneath. And this lovely Dometic fridge. Decent sized fridge. Plenty of space for stuff and a decent sized freezer compartment. And it's a 3-way fridge. You can run off mains, gas, or 12 volts for off grid. And you can adjust the temperature as well. Oh, nice modern fridge. We have this sink with a nice little mixer tap and a bowl. The cover you can use for a chopping board or whatever. And then we come to the cooker. What make the Thetford? Yes, the Thetford hob with 3 burners and an electric one. So that's a dual fuel hob. A lot of the Caravans have dual fuel these days. And beneath it is that'll be the grill. Yeah, your grill, and the oven. Quite a decent size there, and a little storage space below. Well, probably wouldn't want to use it as storage space because there's a vent to let any leaking gas escape. So spinning round, a nice little compartment to put your telly on. Built-in microwave and loads of handy little storage spaces. I'm not going to go through them all because all these overhead lockers are the same. So moving back, we have the fixed bed. Has a little bit of a corner taken out of it, and a handy little privacy screen, which I'll just pull out. Gives you a nice bit of privacy. There's a magnetic catch there, so that gives you a little bit of privacy in the bedroom. You know, if you have other people sleeping up front, there's a bracket to fit a telly on. You can have a telly, you can watch telly in bed if you're that way inclined. So just pull that back, lock that into place. More overhead storage and more downlighters. Okay, LED. I wonder if there's mood lighting on these like we saw up the front. No, I don't think there's any mood lighting there. And above here we have another skylight. Not sure how this one works. Oh yeah, you see where the rail is. You can have it in different positions like so. Let's have a look. So you can adjust it like so. There's two positions for that. And there, and to have it fully open, you can have it that way. So look, I just close this skylight, lock that into place. That's what that does. You press that to open, and then you close it in, and that locks it in place. And this should come with a fly screen. I don't know. Yeah, goes this way. Oh, there's a blind. So you got a blind that side. And a fly screen that side, so you can adjust it to however you want it. Combined blind and fly screen. So yes, it does have fly screen, combined fly screen and fly net. So you can have either both or a bit of each, bit of both or none. And this skylight, the same as the one over the bedroom. You've got your 2 positions, well, your 3 positions there. And you've got the button there to release the handle. That locks it into place. You've got your fly screen and your blind. So, going back to the bedroom, I didn't forget to mention the storage space. Yep, wardrobe and drawers. and move on to the washroom. This is your rear, full width washroom, and there's your towel rail. That's part of the central heating. You've got your Thetford swivel toilet, cassette toilet, separate sink with a mixer tap, and we have a really good size shower cubicle. So if you wish to have a shower in the Caravan, plenty of room. It's almost like a shower at home. And Skylight, same as the other two, with your combined blind and fly net, and your 3 positioning opening, like so. That locks in, so just but you can just put that back into place, press the button. A little bit of storage underneath, so I think that pretty much completes the tour of this lovely Lunar Caravan. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this tour, this Lunar Caravan. Beautiful 2014 Lexon 540. So as ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.